The difference between RFO and pre-selling units and its benefits. First of all, the price. Because syempre yung RFO is mas mahal dahil syempre ready to occupy units na siya, kaya yung payment term niya usually with spot DP na. While sa mga pre-selling units naman, the price is on its cheapest price because mostly under construction siya, and the payment term usually flexible and comes with big discounts. The second one is the inventory and its availability. No, si dito talaga marami nakakaproblema. In RFO, least inventory and rush out availability. So, konti ang inventory dahil nga gawa na ang property and konti ang availability. So, usual yung iba wala nang choice. While sa pre-sale, makakapamili ka pa ng preferred location mo ng mga facing amenity dahil nga marami pang inventory. And then lastly, yung value, no? I-discuss ko yung difference ng value ng RFO and pre-selling. First muna yung RFO, no? So, yung RFO kasi yung property was already established. So, yung property is gawa na and naka-appreciate na yung value. So, disadvantage of RFO is hindi mo siya mabibili sa pre-selling price, no? Kasi bibili mo siya sa current price niya na ngayon. So, mas mahal talaga. Sa pre-selling, the property is not yet finished. So, expect na mura ito dahil nga hindi pa siya gawa. So, kung for investment ka, perfect ito para sa'yo. Good thing din in buying pre-selling, no? So, expect the price once the property is already done, no? So, mas magmamahal siya as soon as possible. So, I'm happy now that you learned the difference and benefits of pre-selling and RFO units. So, sana makatulong ito sa mga future investments nyo. Sa dulo ng vlog na ito, mag-iiwan ako ng number ko. So, kung may hindi kayo naintindihan sa investment or gusto magpatulong in the future, you can reach me in 0910-490-5512. I'm Miroslav Vasquez. Ako ang iyong realtor. And sana supportan niyo po ang vlog ko. Salamat.